A time lapse. This is why I bought the GoPro, you know what I mean, so I could do stuff like this. It's a bit muffled because my hello Froggy. Frog. I want to step on you, mate, do I? Let me cover the camera. Let's try not to step on the frog. I need to lock the gate. I'm blocking the camera, so basically I don't get any water on it. That's a bit hard. Where's that frog gone? See ya! Right, so we're going to go this way. Right, this is why I've got the GoPro, mate, just so I could film all this shit, you know what I mean? That's it. Thought I stepped on another frog then. Ah, look at that. Keep going. I don't need the hiking poles, I was going a bit overboard then. Why do I night hike? Why not? I'm out now, I got a bit anxious about going out. Let's point it downwards. I've actually walked this path before years ago. Why do I walk on that? Hello Froggy. Let's not step on you. Froggy. Frog. Bye bye. I was reluctant about wearing the cap, but it's actually, it is impairing my vision a little bit, but it's too warm to wear a hat. I'll overheat. Right, anyway, speed lapse time, guys. The actual rain's behind me. Catch you in a bit.